Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord driver side visor. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and your new replacement visor. Make sure your Honda Accord is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now, locate the two screws that secure the visor's main bracket to the headliner. These are usually visible when the visor is in its upright position. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. With your tools ready, it's time to remove the old visor. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew the two screws you located earlier. Once the screws are out, gently pull the visor away from the headliner. If your Honda Accord has an illuminated visor, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connector. This is usually a small plug that can be unclipped. Take care not to pull on the wires themselves, but rather on the connector housing. Now, let's install your new driver side visor. If your new visor has electrical components, connect the wiring harness first. Ensure the connection is secure and clicks into place. Next, align the new visor's mounting bracket with the screw holes in the headliner. Insert the two Phillips head screws and tighten them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, push the visor's pivot arm into its retaining clip until it snaps securely into position. This completes the physical installation. After installation, it's crucial to test your new visor. Move it through its full range of motion, ensuring it pivots smoothly and stays securely in place when upright. If your visor has a mirror light, turn on your car's ignition and check that the light functions correctly. This confirms a successful replacement. For more great tips and product recommendations, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to keep your car's interior and your home looking its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.